So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Xumo TV to phone, casting, pairing and screen mirroring. So how to connect Xumo TV to phone? Connect your phone and Xumo TV to the same Wi-Fi, then use the cast icon in app like YouTube or Netflix to play content on the TV. For full phone display, use screen mirroring, AirPlay or iPhone or cast smart view on Android and select your Xumo TV. You can also pair your phone as a remote using the Xumo TV app as long as both devices are on the same network. Method first is cast from phone to Xumo, best for YouTube, Netflix, etc. Casting work when the app itself support Chromecast or built-in casting. So connect your phone and Xumo TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Open a supported app, then tap the cast icon. Then select your Xumo device from the list. Your video or music will start playing on the TV. Casting streams directly from the internet to the TV so your phone acts like a remote and save battery. Method 2 is screen mirroring. For iPhone AirPlay, make sure Apple AirPlay is turned on in Xumo TV settings. Open Control Center on TV, tap screen mirroring, select your Xumo TV. Your phone screen appears instantly on TV. For Android, Element Westinghouse Xumo TV. On TV, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Mobile Video Casting, then On. Open Screencast or Smart View or Wireless Display on your phone. Then select your Xumo TV name, press connect when prompted on TV. Screen appear within 30 seconds. Note, only one device cast or mirror at a time. Method third is pair phone as a remote. You can control the TV using your phone instead of the physical remote. Install the Xumo TV mobile app. Make sure TV and phone use the same Wi-Fi. On TV, go to settings, then device settings, then Xumo TV app. Follow the pairing instructions shown on screen. Once completed, you can navigate, play, pause, adjust volume and more. So if phone won't connect, both devices must be on same Wi-Fi. Restart TV plus phone. Turn mobile video casting on, then move closer to the TV. Update TV software if needed. Which method should you use? If you want, I can also show how to connect Xumo Streambox specially. Fix no device found. Can't cast error. Xumo TV to phone without Wi-Fi. Thank you.